You just can't do stuff. You just gotta play games all week.
What?
I'll talk to my boys.
On Sissy's phone?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Who are you calling now?
Mid.
Med?
Oh, Mid.
Mid?
Yeah, the toughest guy in the world.
The toughest guy in the world?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Man. Talk to me. Come on, man. Mom, tomorrow just hang up on me.
He hung up on you?
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of the cute phone you have.
I didn't hang up on him.
Oh, okay. It's a cute phone though, isn't it? Sissy likes it. Look, she's staring at you. You just made Sissy laugh again.
Why?
Why don't you do it again?
Go get it again. Numbers is 8. No.
What's his phone number?
2 1 3 3 3 9 9 9 7 7.
That's a pretty long number, man. Is he home?
Yeah. Come on, man. Mom.
Yes.
Yeah, this is his phone.
Okay.
Come on, man. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. You gotta be man. You got. Come on, man. You know what the problem is? You just.
What do you do when you cough, bud? That's right. Thank you.
And you just. Man, yeah, you gotta be nice. Mom, don't have to do this. Or not.